Students, today we are going to start exercise 19.4. Till now we have been solving the linear equations, and this is an application chapter where we will do the word problems relating to linear equation. So let's start. First question. The sum of four consecutive natural number is 330. Find the numbers. Okay. So consecutive natural number means what? Like 5, 6, 7, 8. Consecutive means which comes one after the other. 13, 14, 15, 16. It can be anything. So let us consider the number to be x, x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. Okay. Now according to the question, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 will give 330. Okay, that is the condition given, that sum of four number is 330. So if I add this x plus x plus x plus x, I will get 4x, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 will give 6 is equal to 330. Now put the 6 in the right side. So 330 minus 6 will give you how much? 324. So x is how much? 324 by 4, that is 81. So x is 81. So first number is 81. Then therefore the second number will be obviously 82. Third number will be obviously 83, and the last number will be 84. So this way we can find the numbers. Okay. Now we are going to question number 3. The sum of digits of a two-digit number is 9. Two-digit number means what? The numbers which are lying from 10 to 99. The number from 10 to 99 are called two-digit number. So the sum of digits of a two-digit number is 9. If 45 is added, the digits are interchanged. So if we add 45, the digits get interchanged. Find the numbers. Okay. So see, let us consider the unit place to be x. So let us consider that the unit digit is x. Let the unit digit be x. So as in the question they have given the condition that sum of digits is 9. So therefore, we have taken the 10th digit to be x. So unit digit will be 9 minus x, because if you add these two, what you will get? This 9. So number is 10 into 10th digit plus unit digit. What is the formula of writing the number? 10 into 10th digit. Suppose you have a number 23. So what is 23? 2 in 10 into 2 plus 3. So what is the formula of writing the number? 10 into 10th digit plus unit digit. This will give you what? Okay. So 45. Now the condition is if 45 is added to the number, the digits are interchanged. So suppose this is the number and we have added 45, then what will happen? This digit and this digit will interchange their place. This digit will come here and this digit will go there. It will become this way. Okay. So now if you solve it, okay, on solving you will get the answer x equal to 2. Now what we have taken the number? 10 into 2, that is what? 20, plus 9 into 2 is what? 27. So the number will be 20 plus 7, that is 27. Okay. So this is question number 3. Now let's come to question number 4. A purse contains rupees 70 in 50 paise and 25 paise coins. If the number of 50 paise coins is 3 times the number of 25 paise coin, find the number of 50 paise coin and 25 paise coin. Means in a purse there are 70 rupees in the form of coins. Okay. Some 50 paise coin and some 25 paise coin. If the number of 50 paise coin is 3 times the number of 25 paise coin, find the number of 50 paise coin and 25 paise coins. Okay. So now see what is happening. Total money is how much? Total money is rupees 70. So if I convert this into paise, I will get 7,000 paise. So total money is 7,000 paise. Now let us assume that the number of 25 paise coins be x. So therefore the number of 50 paise coin will be 3 times of x, that is 3x. Okay, 3 times of x is what? 3 into x, that is 3x. Now, if I have x number of coins of 25 paise, then what will be the worth? The worth will be x into 25. And I have 50 paise coins in the number of 3x. Then what is the total worth? 3x into 50. And this total worth is 7,000. So from here we can frame the equation. We have already framed the equation and now solve it. We will get x equal to 40. Now what we have taken x? We have taken x as 25 paise coin. So therefore number of 25 paise coin is 40 and number of 50 paise coin will be 40 into 3, that is 120. Okay. Achha, now we are going to question number 6. See, a sum of money is divided among Mohan, Radha and Geeta so that Mohan gets half of what Radha get, and so Mohan get halves of what Radha and Geeta get each. It means that Radha and Geeta are getting the same amount and Mohan is getting the half. So it means if Radha and Geeta are getting 100 rupees each, then Mohan will get how much? 50 rupees. Okay. So if the total sum of money is 1325, find out the share of each. Okay. So let's do it. Let Radha and Geeta each get rupees x. So Mohan will get how much? X by 2. Okay. And total money is how much? Total money is 1325. So this is the share of Radha plus share of Geeta plus share of Mohan is equal to 1325. If you take the LCM, you can solve it and you will get the answer 530. So 530 is x, that is Radha is getting rupees 530, Geeta is also getting rupees 530 and Mohan is getting 530 by 2, that is rupees 265. Okay. Now let's come to question number 7. The length and breadth of a rectangle is 7 cm. The length of a rectangle is 7 cm more than the breadth. If the perimeter is 62 cm, find the length and breadth. Okay. So let's do it. So let the length of the rectangle be x. Let the breadth of the rectangle be x. So length will be what? X plus 7. Given perimeter is equal to 62 cm. Okay. Now what is the formula of perimeter? The formula perimeter is 2 length plus breadth is equal to 62. So 2 in place of length, what will I write? X plus 7 plus x is equal to 62. So 2x plus 7 is 31. Okay, 62 by 2. So 2x will be 31 minus 7, that is 24. X will be 24 by 2, 12. So now what was 12? So length was what? X plus 7. So length is 12 plus 7, 19 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. Okay. Achha, now we will do one more digit sum, last sum for today. So okay. So if the two digit of a two digit number differ by 5, the two digits of a two digit number differ by 5. If the digits are reversed, the sum of the two numbers is 99. Okay, so I have a two digit number where the difference of digit is 5. It can be 16, it can be 72, it can be 83, whatever you can say. And when we are adding it, so I am adding it with the number with reverse digit, then I am getting the sum 99. Okay. So let the digits be x. So let us take the tens digit to be x and the unit digit to be x plus 5. Why? Because they have told that difference of digit is 5. I can also take x minus 5 also. The number will be 10x plus x plus 5. Okay. Now, so this is the original number and this is the new number formed by interchanging the digit. You can see here this x and x plus 5 are interchanged. So this is the original number and this is the number formed by interchanging the digits. And their sum is 99. Now you solve it. 10x plus x plus 5, 10x plus 10 5 is 50 plus x. So on solving you can get the value of x as how much? 2. So if you take the 2, the number is 2 into 10, that is what? 20 plus 2 plus 5. So 20 plus 7, 27, or it can also be 72. Okay. So number can be 27 or 72. Okay students, that's all for today. And up to question number 8 or even up to 9, do all the remaining sum and we will meet in the next class. Have a nice day.